Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am super excited because I am co-hosting the Valentines Coffee Tea Bar Decor Challenge for 2021 with the beautiful host, MyStyleMyColours. Now the rules to this challenge or collaboration was very simple. You needed to be subscribed to both of our channels. You need to have a color scheme of your choice. You need to have a loving message in any form you choose. And you need to use the hashtag Valentines Coffee Station 2021 in your title, description box, and mention both of our channels on your video and provide the links to our channels and the playlist in your description box. And the main thing is to have fun. Now guys, I've already wiped down, I've already cleaned my coffee bar, and this is it in its naked state. Let me share with you some of the things that I will be using or may use on the coffee bar. Now my color scheme is red, white, and gold. Some of the things that you see here may be used, some may not. We'll see. Those canisters I already had. I use them all the time. Those teacups are from Home Goods. I may or may not use them. We'll see. I have some muffins and danishes to go with my coffee and my tea. This sign, we'll see. I may use it, I may not. These red and gold napkins I had already. This beautiful teapot is something that I recently hauled from Home Goods. The tray behind there you see I had already. The love sign is from Dollar Tree. I've had that for a few years. Don't know if they still have them. The Be Mine Forever is something I had already. The love sign was a recent find from Walmart. I had these love stirs already. I picked them up from Target a couple of years ago. These beautiful spoons with the heart. Aren't they gorgeous? They are in my Amazon store. This was a recent item that I picked up, and I absolutely love them. And this tiered stand is a beauty also. I can't remember where I picked this up from. I found it online. If I can remember it, I will link it down below. Let me put this coffee bar together, or my coffee station together, and I'll show you what I have done. So stay tuned. So before I show you my entire coffee and tea bar, I'm looking at this on my tray, and I think I want to do a little something different. So let me share with you what I'm going to do. So I purchased these mugs from the Dollar Tree along with some dinnerware. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up these initials. And these initials are by the Paper Studio. I have one for myself and one for my hubby. And then I have some more mugs for my family. But I'm just gonna do these two right now. So I'm just gonna peel this D off of the backing, being very careful. And then I'm going to place it on my cup. Just like so. So I'm going to get the D on there, and I'm going to place them on my coffee bar, and I'll show you my finished product. So are you ready for the reveal? Well, here it is. My Valentine Coffee Tea bar for 2021. So let me show you around. Now that frother you see was gifted to me by one of my YouTube sisters, my beautiful YouTube sisters, Vology. I told you, V, every time I do a coffee bar, you will see that on this space. I absolutely love it. The love sign I placed right in front of it, just to give me that pop of color. Now I do have a red Keurig, but I haven't used that Keurig in a while because it's bulky. I like the slimness of this Keurig. This Keurig is also in my Amazon store, just in case you are interested. These canisters hold my creamer and sugar for my coffee or my tea. And I had them on my Christmas bar and decided to keep them because I love the red ribbon, giving me another pop of red. Now Suye wanted a message, a sign on the coffee bar, and mine says, no matter where you are, I'll always be with you. This sign came from Walmart. Now on the tray is holding my teapot and these beautiful red mugs. I like this so much better because the red mugs pop more than the teacups I had on it previously. I'm still looking for those red and white striped teacups, by the way. And those beautiful heart spoons that I picked up from Amazon. Those will be listed in my store as well. Then moving over to this tiered tray, holding some treats, holding some muffins, because you have to have some treats with your coffee or your tea, right? So it's holding muffins and danishes. And right in front of my tiered stand, I have some napkins. And this is a candle holder holding some stirs that says love. Guys, this is my coffee bar, my coffee station. I like to keep things simple. I do not like to overcrowd anything. And I like to put things on here that I use. By the way, the coffee ended up in my drawer. I am working on organizing this a little bit better using Dollar Tree items. So I'll bring that to you in an upcoming video. I would like to thank Suye for asking me to co-host this collaboration with her. I have truly enjoyed this collaboration, and this is my second year doing this with her. Please go over to Suye's channel, show her some love, tell her that Kimberly sent you, as well as take a look at the playlist. Both links will be in my description box for your enjoyment. You will gain so much inspiration. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay. by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon.